गृह मंत्री को पकड़ो और पुलिस के जो उच्च कर्मचारी हैं उनको पकड़ो, उनको बोलो तुम घर नहीं जा सकते जब तक अपराधियों को पकड़ा नहीं जाए, और ऐसे कुछ अपराधियों को पूरे प्रयास कर सजा ऐसी दी जाए कि दोबारा कम से कम वो आंख उठाकर महिलाओं के ना देख सकें।
एक महिला का जिस तरह से गैंग रेप हुआ है, ऐसी घटना तो कहीं सुनी नहीं गई थी, और उसको भी जिस तरह से फेंका गया, जिस तरह से कहीं पर पुलिस होती नहीं है। सिर्फ नेताओं की सुरक्षा में तो जरूर पुलिस दिखती है, लेकिन आम आदमी की सुरक्षा में दिल्ली पुलिस का कोई ध्यान नहीं। इसका कानून सख्त बनाना चाहिए कि ऐसे अपराध करने वालों के मन में दहशत पैदा हो।
मैं तो कहती हूँ कि कन्विक्शन तुरंत हो, ट्रायल कोर्ट में जाए, उसमें केस को पेंडिंग नहीं किया जाए, तुरंत कन्विक्ट करे उसको। और बिल्कुल मैं तो कहूँगी कि जिस तरह से केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं और लोग निडर हो गए हैं, तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कुछ ऐसी सज़ा इनके लिए तय होनी चाहिए ताकि इस पर रोक लगे।
The gang rape in the capital has shocked many. In fact, the 40 minutes ordeal that the victim and her boyfriend went through, it is likely to haunt them for the rest of their lives. I'm standing outside Safdarjung Hospital, where in fact the girl has been admitted, and the latest information which we can share with you is that she's slightly better than yesterday, but the doctors say that she's on partial ventilator and they are observing her condition, and they will do so for about 48 hours to clearly come out and say that she is stable. Apart from that, we need to remember that the girl has received severe injuries, genital injuries and intestinal injuries, and the doctors are saying that they are observing her, and she, like I said, she's on partial ventilator. Apart from that, the doctors are not willing to comment on it. They say that it's a medico-legal case and they would not be able to talk to the media. We have somehow managed to talk to our sources, and we even saw the family members of the girl here at the hospital. They are really in a very horrible condition. They are grieving. One slight improvement is that the girl is able to communicate by writing, via writing to the doctors, and the doctors say that she's slightly better than yesterday. But like I said, it's an ordeal which is likely to haunt this girl, and we'll definitely have to wait and watch whether her condition will be stable or not in time to come. Video journalist Harish Bhatt, Ridhima Tomar, reporting from New Delhi for NewsX.